Hey, hey, welcome back to Master English with Real Conversations. I'm James and I'm here with the always amazing Olivia. How are you doing today, Liv?
Hey James, I'm good, and I'm especially excited for today's topic because it's one of those real life skills that English learners often struggle with. We're talking about small talk at work, how to do it, what to say, and how to feel more natural.
Yes, so many people are confident with formal English, like presentations or meetings. But when it comes to casual conversation like, how was your weekend? Or crazy weather today, huh? They freeze up a bit.
Totally. And small talk may feel small, but it's actually a big deal at work. It helps you build connections, seem approachable, and be part of the team, even if English isn't your first language.
Right. It's not about deep conversations. It's about little moments in the elevator, before a meeting starts, by the coffee machine. And honestly, it doesn't have to be complicated.
Exactly. So let's start with the basics. What kind of topics are good for small talk at work?
Safe topics, for sure. Stick with things like the weather, weekend plans, hobbies, food or lunch, general news, but not politics, TV shows or sports.
And remember, questions are your best friend. If you're not sure what to say, just ask something simple like, how was your weekend? Doing anything fun after work? Have you tried that new coffee place down the street?
And it's totally fine to give short answers and return the question. Like, yeah, I had a quiet weekend, just relax and watch Netflix. How about you?
Yes, that how about you is magic. It keeps the conversation going and shows interest.
And here's the thing, you don't have to be super funny or clever. Small talk is about being friendly, not being impressive.
Exactly. And honestly, just showing up with a smile and saying something like, Morning, how's it going? Already makes a great impression.
You want to do a quick example?
Sure, let's say we're co-workers meeting by the coffee machine.
Cool. Morning, Olivia. You surviving the Monday blues?
Ha ha, barely. I need at least 2 more cups of coffee. How about you?
Same. I had a lazy weekend, so now I'm paying for it. Did you do anything fun?
Yeah, I went to the park with some friends. It was nice to be outside. You?
See, super simple, just friendly back and forth, no pressure to be perfect.
And even if you make a small mistake in grammar or pronunciation, no one cares. People appreciate the effort. You're building human connection.
Here's another pro tip, listen for what the other person says and build on it. If they say, I watched a new show, ask, oh, cool, what was it? If they say, I'm heading to a concert this weekend, say, nice, what kind of music?
That's such a great way to show interest. You don't have to talk a lot, you just have to listen and respond.
Also, small talk isn't just face to face, it happens online too, like at the start of Zoom meetings. Don't be afraid to say something like, Happy Friday, everyone, or Hope everyone had a good weekend.
Yes, even a quick comment like, it's finally sunny out today can make you seem friendly and engaged, even through a screen.
All right, let's wrap this up with a few go to phrases our listeners can steal and use at work.
Here we go. Hey, how's it going? How was your weekend? Any plans after work? This week is flying by, right? I could use another coffee. You? Have you seen that new show on Netflix? Nice to see you. How's your day so far?
And remember, it's okay to start small. Even just saying morning with a smile can open the door to connection.
Totally, small talk might feel awkward at first, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. And soon, you'll be the one people come to chat with in the break room.
All right, that's it for today's episode. We hope this gives you the confidence to start those casual conversations at work and enjoy them.
Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and connect with the people around you.
We'll catch you next time on Master English with Real Conversations. Until then, go say hey to someone at work today. You got this.
Bye everyone. Go make some small talk. Big things start there.